We don't want it, but still it comes. So here you have bad times are coming, but how can we survive in these bad times? That's today the world situation is not so good. Mass distraction can happen every moment. You don't know. We can transcend these modes of material nature by pure devotional service. Pure devotional service, like you hear the Bhagavatam constantly, we become absorbed in the Bhagavatam. That Prabhupada makes the point. One must know how to extract Krishna from the pages of the Bhagavatam, how to extract him. That is by hearing with great attention from the right source. Therefore, if we want to come out of this suffering situation, we must fix our mind on Krishna, one way or another. Organize our lives 24 hours a day, Prabhupada says in Bhagavad Gita, so that we cannot do anything else than think of Krishna. That is the method. Because all this suffering comes to the mind. The soul cannot suffer. That it's transcendental. The suffering is in the mind. And we are not the mind. Because the more we identify with the mind, the more we suffer. So all this karma comes to our mind. And material nature makes us going from one side to another, attachment, aversion.